Without doubt, Year 7 Disco, Mr. Nye, with DJ Horbury on the set, chucking the tunes down.
My favourite moment was Sports Day 2010, when Andrew Horbury crouched behind Liam Millen to try push him over, and Liam Millen backheeled Andrew Horbury in the ribs, and he started crying.
Oh, I think house music was pretty good this year. I think we won it. Because we're beasts.
Year 9 music with Mr. Davis, singing the legendary song Stand By Me by Benny King. Mr. Francis Wood, who is sitting there right now, he couldn't quite handle the nerves of singing it, so had to face the wall and sing it. Since then he's been known as Francis Derulo, Beyonce, or Saggy Stack, but that other one's because of something different.
I'm going to need to think about this because
Aubrey dropped a rock on Miller's teeth and cracked open all his teeth. It was so bad.
Probably Rocks Are Dangerous.
Probably Sean McCarthy forgot to get his planner signed one year and Mr. Burton called him a stupid little boy. That was pretty bad.
To house music every year.
Right, so back in Adelaide.
Scoring a hat-trick against Braithwaite in 7 house football.
house music this year.
Being the first Diarmid to lift a major trophy. I lifted the landing last month. Andrew Horbury.
Henry Bolton.
Millen.
Henry Bolton, because I'll probably never see him again.
Jason Ann.
It was probably Henry Bolton.
Conor Berger.
Max Vasily.
It's got to be Andrew Horbury.
My least favourite member was probably 577.
Henry Bolton, for being constantly red.
It's got to be Mr. Cox.
Mr. Cox, without a doubt.
It's got to be Cox.
Cox, definitely.
Obviously Dr. COX.
Yeah, I don't have men or anything, but it's got to be Mr. Cox.
Mr. Cox.
Mr. Cox.
Mr. Cox.
Coxey.
Coxey.
This was, I forgot what, I think it was in year 8, Mr. Win. We were getting taught media, I think, and I was completely unaware that he had a twitch in his eye. So me being me, I winked back at him, and yeah, I got very, very badly told off.
Probably been peer pressured into saying some inappropriate comments in about year 8 by other members of the form.
Oh, there's been so many. Probably my most embarrassing moment, without a doubt, was when Charlie O'Callaghan came up behind me and pulled down my trousers and pants in front of Mr. Tull. And worse than that was that Mr. Tull thought that I'd done that to myself.
It would be when Connor Denton got a sports day ahead of me for athletics. Disappointing.
Probably getting called down the paths.
You have one?
In house football, I let someone completely through on goal and it was all my fault.
Attempting to sing Stand By Me in music with Mr. Davis and ending up facing the wall.
So, back in Adelaide.
Getting an erection in Miss Morrison's class.
Trying to beat up Jamie Simpson, year 9 house football, that was one. There's the sitting on a load of pins in house history because I thought I was being a legend, it's like making fun of Miss Morrison. And there's that infamous gobstopper incident where I thought I was a bit of a big man eating a gobstopper in Dr. Robertson's class, but it turns out it had been on Jack Bodan's person. I'll leave it at that.
Probably Miss Douglas telling me that I looked gorgeous when she was doing my makeup for house drama.
Millen.
Probably Millen.
Got to be Millen, isn't it?
Liam Millen, obviously.
Millen!
I think everyone knows the answer to that. It's definitely Millen. Back in Adelaide.
Millen.
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 He's good. I mean, he doesn't like losing. Very competitive. But yeah, he's good. He's a good guy.
Yeah, good.
No leader should wear a tracksuit.
Well, I just below average.
He's alright, but I mean, like, obviously he's not the sporting athlete that I am. I mean, he's trying. He's going to the gym and stuff, and I've shown him some tips and that, but he'll get there.
Yeah, he's alright.
Bring back McCready.
Pretty chill, relaxed.
He's pretty relaxed and chilled out and just lets things happen.
No leader should wear tracksuits.
Dictatorship.
Bring back Swindon.
Harry Cook going around school and licking every bin that he saw, which is weird.
Andrew Horbury bringing in a bag of his own hair, which he'd cut off.
Harry Cook licking the weirdest things just for 20p or 30p. It's a joke.
Just too many weird things to mention.
Yeah, no, it's got to be Harry Cook licking shoes and bins and for like 5p, and then swallowing those 5p's for another 5p.
Well, back in Adelaide,
Science lecture theatre before it was the common room. Some of the lads were just having a laugh. Had a bottle of iced tea present. Some things happened. Somebody drank the iced tea. It had stuff in it. It was Charlie Carter.
Conor Berger going into the bathroom on the Year 8 London trip. I'll leave it at that.
Best form I've ever had, without a shadow of a doubt. Okay, a wonderful form. You've been absolutely great for the last 2 years. You know, it's been a real privilege to be your form chooser.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see, no, I won't be afraid